guys, it's Ashley, and today I'm going to be showing you what I eat for an entire week. It's going to be a bunch of fun, different vegan meals. By the way, I hope that you guys all had a chance to watch my last video. It was about the increase in Asian American hate crimes. It's a really important video. I have all types of resources there, so definitely go check out that video. I will have it linked up here. And I still want to obviously continue to make fun and happy videos on my channel, so that's what we're going to be doing today, and I hope that you guys will enjoy. We're going to be starting with Monday. All right, so on Monday, I'm starting with lunch because I decided to film halfway through the day, so I forgot to film my breakfast, but for lunch, I'm having this beautiful bowl with so many nice ingredients, Brussels sprouts, rice, there's Bubby, and then eating it, awesome. Okay guys, sorry for the maybe low quality video. What are you eating? Vegetables?
Is that busing?
Is that bussing? Andrew and my mom made some tub cake. Some of the shortcake in the tub.
Why is it called tub cake?
I'm just kidding. It's not called tub cake. This is my beautiful, healthy dinner.
It tastes
This
bad.
is really odd. It doesn't taste bad.
It's got like peanut butter in there.
This is tahini, and it tastes delicious on a sweet potato with blueberries, asparagus, Brussels sprouts, again, avocado, rice, and seasonings. Yep, and I gotta add protein.
You did everything wrong in this.
I did not do everything wrong. It looks amazing.
Who likes asparagus, Brussels sprouts, and blueberries in their sweet potatoes?
Good morning, guys. It's like 7:50 in the morning. It's way too early for me to be awake. But today I have an 8 o'clock class and it's starting really soon, so I'm gonna go downstairs and grab a little like energy bar, and then we're gonna get on our way for real. Okay, I'm in my living room. I have a few different choices of energy bars. I think today I'm gonna eat this one, ginger snap flavor. I'm very excited about it. They are from Verb. I've talked about them so many times before. So I really wanna thank Verb so much for partnering with me on today's video. On days where I have early classes, I cannot even get through my class without eating one of these. They have as much caffeine as an espresso, and they're so nice and perfectly sized. They're just 90 calories. It's infused with organic green tea, which is what gives you just like the perfect amount of caffeine without the crash. I tend to get like really nervous if I drink coffee for some reason, but these totally fine with. They come in so many awesome flavors. They have like 6 core flavors. I think my top 2 favorite flavors though are maple blueberry and then vanilla latte. Verb has a really awesome trial pack where you can try out their top 4 flavors for just the price of shipping, which is literally 95 cents. It's less than $1. So the first 1,000 people that go check out the link in my description will be able to go check that out for literally 95 cents. It's awesome, and I actually I love these. Like I literally love these. Okay, now for my breakfast after class, I'm just making some banana toast. So I like to put the peanut butter on top so I can taste it more. And then hemp seed, cinnamon. This is the best butter ever in the whole world. The best butter ever. And then strawberry preserves right on top. So delicious. Please get that butter, by the way. That's the best butter. The toast, my banana toast. This will also be good. You add a little bit of agave on top of it. That would be good too. Strawberry toast. It's also good if you use cream cheese instead of butter. I really like the Trader Joe's vegan cream cheese. Wait, show me what you're making.
Delicious $1 microwave meal.
Get that out of my frame. Nobody needs that. No, please don't do it. No, I'm adding in sugar. The flavors.
Hi, Ashley, editing.
Hi, Andrew. Here is my beautiful sandwich that I just made. Usually I would add like basil, cucumbers, but I just don't have that. So we're gonna deal with what we got. Ugh, I toasted it too much. I only ate bread in that bite. Trying on Andrew's weighted vest. How much does this weigh? Kind of feels good on my
70?
No, it doesn't weigh 70. It kind of feels good. I actually kind of like this. Actually, it's kind of starting to hurt me now.
What is that? No pain, no gain?
It's actually starting to hurt kind of bad on my shoulders now. Switch. My arm got stuck. My arm is stuck under. Oh my god, it's choking you.
I was like, why does it feel like nothing?
Because all the weight was on my arm. Nice.
My dinner, my dinner, my dinner.
My dinner, my dinner, my dinner. And now trying snacks from Taiwan. Neighbor Carson and Ander.
Sister Ashley.
Okay, so one of you guys sent us a box of amazing snacks. This is from Eva. Eva, we love you. She sent it to our P.O. box. Oh, there's a card. She left me a little letter in French. Cher Ashley, je m'appelle Eva, j'habite à Taiwan. J'ai t'envoyé quelques snacks vegan de Taiwan, j'espère qu'ils te plairont. Thanks, Eva. So we have some amazing snacks. They're vegan snacks, so this is literally insane.
Amazing.
This is amazing. Here, let's all hold up the snacks. Ready? That's fine. Opening up these like strawberry wafer rolls. Nice, Carson. Ooh, it's so nice. It's like a matte packaging. These are good.
These are good.
The wafer rolls are really good. Oh, I love this.
Oh, I love these.
You love those, Carson?
I'm just copying, but they're good. I like them.
These are good.
We're gonna try lemon pink salt flavor. The packaging is beautiful.
I like these.
These are actually good. These taste really good.
This is life-changing.
This is life-changing. It's like sweet salt
Sweet
and vinegar.
lemon.
Yeah, sweet
Sweet
lemon. Choose your overall favorite of the day.
These two.
Those are your
Yeah.
two favorites. Nice, Carson. Same for you,
I would
Andrew?
say this one's a little bit better.
My favorite is this one and the strawberry Oreo. Yeah. Now I'm gonna go eat dinner later and we're gonna have an awesome day. Peace. Thanks, Eva. You're amazing. Then for dinner, my mom got me a black bean crunch wrap from Taco Bell. It's one of my favorite things to eat ever. Then Wednesday morning, me and Amber ate like Raisin Bran in bed. And then after that, I made some beautiful oatmeal. Just oatmeal with berry, soy milk, and peanut butter. And if you just like mix in the soy milk with the berries, beautiful purple color. Good morning, or good afternoon actually. I just went on a walk and me and Amber, where did you put the Takis?
I put them away. I had to put them away.
I just ate like a million of these. I just went on a walk, so that's why I kind of look like a golfer. I ate so many of these.
So many Trader Joe's Takis.
Chili and lime chips from Trader Joe's. We have to go pick up like our passport photos and things, so we're actually gonna go to Starbucks. And then I'm gonna make a really delicious chili that my aunt made for me one time, and I'm gonna remake it, and it's gonna be amazing. Amber, would you like to help me make the chili?
No.
Okay, that's awesome. Let's go.
Yeah.
Ah. I love your hat, personally.
I'm kind of sassy.
Okay, guys, we just went through, like, the Walgreens drive-thru. Yeah, this is crazy. No, you look okay.
All three of us. We look crazy.
Okay, and now we're gonna go by Starbucks because we're already out. Okay, hi, guys. We got our Starbucks.
Running on empty food review.
I got a iced matcha latte with soy milk and almond milk cold foam. And Amber got
Grande iced brown sugar oat milk espresso, shaken espresso. But I got it made decaf.
Mine
And we
tastes
haven't
good.
tried it yet.
Well, I tried mine. Amber tried. This is good. I've had it before. Low-key tastes like root beer still, but it's delicious still.
This is a new item on their menu. People have said it's really good. Tastes like boba tea. I thought it would be creamier. Oh, wait. I just need to add a sugar.
Then for lunch, I air fried some pizza. It looks really dry, but it tasted good.
Make sure it's nice and hot. Oh my God. I'm just kidding, don't do that. Adding some of the oils. You want to use this much oil. And then you have to stick your hand in there and go to onions. Yummy. The potatoes.
Veggie broth.
Can I get some? Can I get some applesauce? No.
Delicious.
I'm a kind of sassy cafeteria woman.
Literally.
Tomato paste.
Don't mix it in. Just leave it like this. It's really awkward and you have to do it. I don't know why, though.
Kind of looks like a pizza now.
Literally, it's Italian.
Get that thing on there.
I'm scared. You're making me nervous.
Hurry up!
Oh my God. Okay. Now it will be pressure cooked.
That's one hot Italian pizza chili.
How excited are you for the chili on a scale from 1 to 10?
I'm rating it on a scale of 1 to chili. It's a pizza chili. We'll see you in an hour.
No, it's not gonna take that long.
How long?
I don't know, like 20 minutes.
We'll see you in
10
like 20 minutes.
Okay, peace. Warning, don't look at this if you have like the fear of holes. Don't look at it. This is so weird. I have to mix it now. Give this a beautiful mix. My dinner, my dinner, my dinner, my dinner, my dinner, my dinner. Tortilla chips, Daya cheese, tofutti, cream cheese, tomatoes, and a chili. Bless you. Bless you. Got one more. I'm taking pretty myself eating.
2 hours later.
Hey guys, it's a couple hours later and I got my second bowl of chili. And Amber is gonna come finally eat her chili. Hi, Andrew. Epic hack, lime juice.
Yummy.
Okay.
What do you laugh at?
Hi, Mr. Baby. Chili? Breakfast chili? Oh, okay. Honey Crisp apples and peanut butter. Say hi. Hi. Now I'm just eating more snacks. Some Raisin Bran. I really like Raisin Bran for some reason. I literally look like I'm dead. Could you turn that off so I do not get copyright striked, please? Okay, guys. Tired Ashley is gonna teach you how I make my favorite green smoothie because I took a nap and now I was so overheating that I was like, I need to eat something cold.
I hate waking up hot from a nap.
Does it, like, right? Like, it's the worst. I have this banana. It looks like it's overripe,
Ew.
but I promise it's not. Pineapple! Okay, I'm adding in the lettuce. I mean, spinach.
I want to eat it right now.
Please, Amber, I don't have any grip strength.
You don't
please.
need a strong Amber in your life.
Yeah,
to
I do.
open your
Amber, I literally
drawers.
will not be able to survive without you. That was not an accident.
I didn't mean to throw it that hard.
I would never do
Don't
that.
hit me.
Because I'm nice.
Okay.
Unlike you.
I didn't mean to.
I'm kidding. You didn't mean to do that. We're gonna go ask Andrew. Goodbye forever, Amber.
Yeah.
Yo, nice PC setup. Can you open the smoothie for me?
This is worrying me.
Just
Oh,
leave
you
it. Just
got
leave it. Just leave it like that before it all spills everywhere. Thanks, Andrew. Hey, give me nucks right here. Hey, the colors are amazing right here. Thanks.
I don't want any.
Yes, you do. This is actually my 4th bowl of chili in 24 hours. We're gonna see who Bubby takes the treat from, because all 3 of us have it. Hold it equally far. No, he's scared. He took the biggest one. He took the biggest one.
He ain't no dummy.
All right, this morning I'm making a bowl of Kamut Puffs. So I'm taking my favorite vanilla forager cashew yogurt, my most favorite vegan yogurt of all time. Just putting some on top, some oat milk, blueberries, cinnamon, some goji berries, some hemp seeds, and then there we go. Hi guys! Okay, so I just worked out with Charles, which is why I look really sweaty, but I thought that I would go get Starbucks because I got sent an anonymous gift card from one of you guys to get Starbucks, which was so nice. I actually know who it was because I talked to them in my Twitch chat, so Gray, thank you so much. But I'm gonna go get Starbucks. Literally, that's so nice. You're so amazing. Can I get a grande iced matcha latte with oat milk, please? And then can I also get a caramel macchiato? Here's my beautiful matcha latte with oat milk, which I have never had with oat milk. This lid is so messed up. I don't know if you can see it that well, but there's 2 holes on the cup like that. What? I don't mind though. This is still delicious to me.
Thanks, Gray, for the coffee.
Yay! Caramel macchiato. Awesome. Does it taste delicious?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Then for lunch, I'm just eating a veggie sub and I made like a little dressing for myself. Then for dinner, I'm gonna be making a red lentil dal. So I'm starting with some beautiful onions, garlic, curry powder, turmeric, ginger, cumin, a bunch of other spices. I'm gonna have the full recipe link below. There's some water. Wash red lentils. And then I added potatoes, which is not in the recipe, but I had potatoes that I wanted to use up, so I'm sorry. And then pressure cook it. And then here's my snack. Love the butter and jam. The dal is finished. And then I mixed in some spinach and I'm just eating it on some bread. Oh yeah. Okay, now my homemade dragon drink recipe. So you guys might have seen the dragon drink from Starbucks. It's gonna be like a bright pink drink. This is just from a random day. I just wanted to show you guys because it's really fun. So I got this frozen dragon fruit from Target. It's like honestly hard to find sometimes, but you could use that or you could use like freeze-dried dragon fruit. Then I'm taking some vanilla coconut milk. Come here, come up here. Then I pour it in, give it a mix. Bubby smelled the creamer, and then accidentally pour a lot of creamer. Bubby, come back up here. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys got some like new meal inspo. And once again, if you want to try out Verb, I will have my link right down below. And yeah, sending out lots of love. I hope that you guys are all doing well. Peace.